together and it went down to 27, 28. Do you understand? Yeah. It's a fine tuning, smaller adjustments. What are you expecting with this, Ellie? Be ready to, yeah, easy. Move forward, Ellie. Move forward and go to the left. Go slow. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Steer right a little now. Steer right. Steer right, Ellie. Slow. Stop. Okay. Good. You can't just steer the front away, because if you steer the front away, which way is your bum pointing? Out. All right. I was seeing how you were going to deal with that, and you just didn't really start looking when the sirens came, so I had to help you a little bit. But do you understand about going slower and steering more? Now press the clutch down and put it into first gear. How can we now tell when we're going? We can't see any lights, we're past the lights. Okay, yeah, after them, I agree. However, we don't know what lights we've got on. What about keeping an eye on people behind and seeing their reactions, as well as in front? So watch the movement and people behind. They might even sound the horn. They're stopping. Watch people behind. They're moving. They're moving, Ellie. Do you understand? Good. Onto it? Yeah? Now that's a little bit of an awkward scenario. We had to go through where we went for the police, but then we couldn't see the lights. So there's other ways that you can actually work that out and sort that out. That was a real good one though, Ellie. Good. Well done.